me and Aafia. Hey, Aafia.
Hi.
Aafia the explorer. We decided to go for a walk, and we're gonna go look for places where Aafia can dig some gold, right, Aafia? You want to dig for some gold?
Yep, I even got the light on my head.
Yes. We're also gonna look for an area where we can launch, जहाँ से हम अपनी जो boats हैं वो launch कर सकें. So अभी हम explore करने के लिए निकले मैं और Aafia दोनों साथ-साथ. And Aafia, so what are the other plans that you have in mind?
We're gonna go swimming, and I don't really know. We're gonna eat s'mores and go to a campfire.
Nice. So, like you heard, campfires. What else? S'mores, which is marshmallows. Swimming, gold digging, and you know I'm excited to go on to those rapids. They're amazing rapids, Aafia. Fast water boats where you have to do run. Made to this one point. वहाँ पे मुझे लगता है Aafia can find some gold. Aafia, you think you can find some good gold here?
Yes, actually, I know some people. They usually find gold in the
Look here.
shore.
Where?
They usually find gold like in close to water than sand.
Krishan, what do you think? This area, are we gonna find gold or fishes or nothing?
Maybe like a few fish.
This fish picard area. So let's see. Oh, this is where we are. Tell me, what did you discover?
I found an island.
हाँ, उर्दू में बता यार.
मैंने island found किया है.
कहाँ पे?
ढूंढा है.
कहाँ पे? हैं? कहाँ पे ढूंढा?
जमीन पे.
जमीन पे?
पानी पे.
पानी पे? और क्या है वो? गहरा है पानी कि कम गहरा है?
Change out the backwards. And I'm just doing them all.
पानी is it deep है कि नहीं है?
थोड़ा सा.
हैं?
थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा सा deep है?
After.
उधर जाएगा पानी के अंदर? स्विमिंग आती है आपको? झूठा. कब आती स्विमिंग? डूबेगा. मोटे? कितने लेसन लिए थे?
Mama, can you get us water in a glass?
10. Yeah.
10. अभी कितने दिन रहेगा कैंपिंग पे?
The pink gets on these. They want to go, right?
2 दिन. Nice. Now we made it to a point where जहाँ पे poison ivy, Aafie. So you know what's a poison ivy, Aafie?
Yeah, it's a type of like plant that makes you itch a lot and then you get red.
So Krishni, what's a poison ivy?
It's a leaf.
What does it do?
It's if you touch it, it will sting you, and you will have a rash. And it'll
So हमें जगह मिल गई है ज़बरदस्त किस्म की जहाँ पे छई छपा के छई और वहाँ पे एक पुल भी है पुराने ज़माने का. So अब हमने आफिया के लिए टूल्स लेके आने हैं जिससे आफिया जो है सोना जो है वो ढूंढ सकती है. It's night time and we have Krishan in the house. What's up, man? Hello, princess.
Hello.
यार हर टाइम आफिया खाती रहती हो. क्या चीज़ हो? दांत खाना अपने ज़रा.
I never did.
2 दांत गायब हो गए. ये गायब हो गए. किधर गए दांत?
I never.
Went out my mouth.
चूहा खा गया. चूहा आफिया के
That's what
दांत.
I.
So it's the day 1. आज ख़त्म हो रहा. मेरे बाल कैसे यार गर्मी में सड़ जाते हैं. But hi Nisa. But what I'm gonna do before we go to bed, I need to sleep with Aafia today. And finally, I made it. Me and Aafia will be sleeping together.
No,
Why not?
I don't want you to. You could break this.
I'm not breaking it. Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
Well, you could.
No. Give me a puppy. I'll go with. Hey, puppy.
Fine.
No, right here on my booty daddy.
Fine.
Oh.
Now go.
So at night time, Krishan अभी अब क्या कर रहा है?
I'm looking through my telescope.
So Krishan ने इतना बड़ा यहाँ पे ginormous telescope setup किया हुआ है, hardcore किस्म का. And Krishan क्या देख रहा है ऊपर?
सितारे.
मुझे तो ऐसे नज़र नहीं आ रहे, but still Krishan जो है बैठ के यहाँ पे आराम से सितारे देख रहा है. ओ थे ओदी बेबे लगी हुई है कैके मारन. Then Krishan is here. Krishan, you know, since you're nighttime, you're doing the, what do you call this, with the big telescope up at you. Tell me something about stars.
Every star that you see
Mm-hmm.
is not always just one star. It is actually multiple stars.
Okay.
And also that each star has its own planets.
Oh, no
It can
way.
have 1, it can have 10.
Can you see the moon with this too?
Yes.
That's a pretty fancy one. Where is the moon?
The moon is,
मुझे तो नजर ही नहीं आएगा.
I think it's in the trees.
It's hidden in the trees somewhere.
Yeah.
Nice. And how long are you planning to stay up and do this? All night?
No.